2024 February 14. Dear Violet, today I felt great because today's class was fun. Follow me and see what I do today. In the morning, I wake up at 7:30 and ate breakfast. I ate rice and fried egg, and I wear clothes and brush my teeth. It was refreshed. It's time to go to school. I met my friend before I go to school, then went to school together. At school, first class is PE. In PE class, we did dodgeball. I don't like dodgeball, so it was not fun. Second class is music. We watch music video and play recorder. Third class is math. I don't like math, but it's fun because we watch some movies. Fourth class is science. We do experiment with wind direction. It is fun because I like science. Then lunchtime, I ate school lunch and talked with my friend. I think I like lunchtime because I can play or talk with my friend, but lunchtime is very short. We can talk 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Then 15 class start. The class was social studies. In social studies, I learned about Korean history. I like Korean history because it is funny. Also, sixth class is social studies, so I felt great for it. In the end of school, I go to English Academy and do homework and sleep. Sincerely, Violet, thank you for listening.